Like this video and subscribe to the channel right now, and get 1 week of amazing luck. Construction technology refers to the collection of innovative tools, machinery, modifications, and software used during the construction phase of a project that enables advancement in field construction methods, including semi-automated and automated construction equipment. In this video, we will show 11 types of construction technology that are on a new level. Number 11. Flexim Roof Mortar. And if you don't take care of your roof, it will probably end up like this. Fortunately, there's a great repair option made in the US that has been in use since 1985 and continues to be very popular in the market. On your screen, you can see a ready-to-use roofing mortar that looks like a thick paste or some modeling clay. Just open the box, remove the protective film, and you can start working. The process is 5 times faster and costs half as much, and the mortar doesn't crack, doesn't stratify, and stays flexible throughout its life. It works perfectly in temperatures from 140 to -13 degrees Fahrenheit and will also prove useful for sealing gaps and holes indoors. 6 colors are available and a box costs $125. Sounds good, doesn't it? Number 10. FP McCann. Next, we go to the United Kingdom, where they built a student residence at the University of York. It's a well-established institution with a long history and more than 20,000 students from over 150 countries, so many rooms were needed. The final project had a total of 1,480 rooms, 18 separate buildings, and a budget of about $150 million, so they could only rely on true professionals. FP McCann, the country's largest manufacturer of reinforced concrete, was one of the companies involved in the project. In the end, the company successfully completed its task of installing 7,177 reinforced concrete elements right on time. In addition, all the elements have a QR code which simplifies tracking and verification, and the speed was incredible. This 4-story 86-room building was erected in 32 days. Number 9. Geismar S2PV. We are going to stop by France to visit the giant company. This is the world leader in railroad construction and maintenance equipment. This monstrous machine can lay tracks at a speed of about 656 feet per hour, and it does so as safely as possible thanks to its remote control. The model has been used successfully on the project for a new stretch of tracks 7.2 miles long. It's kind of a transformable train, and it can move both on rails and on the ground. Several loading platforms are available, providing lengths from 69 to 138 feet, and the crane can work on its own and can also be used as a stationary crane. Number 8. Artificial turf. Tired of mowing the lawn? Then you should consider installing an artificial lawn. It's not only convenient but also trending. Nowadays there's a lot of talk about ecology, and caring for a natural lawn requires a lot of water, which has to be pumped, and fuel or electricity for lawnmowers, trimmers, and so on. In the first week after planting, for example, many experts advise using 6.3 to 10.6 gallons of water per 11 square feet every day. Artificial turf offers many advantages. It's wear-resistant, doesn't fade, looks natural, and at the same time, excellently conceals any defects in the soil, and if you want, you can install it yourself. Number 7. Nafufill KM250 Repair Concrete. We're in Germany, and we are looking at an invention of a local company, a special cement mortar for repairing concrete structures. It is very useful, as there are more than 2,400 bridges and other infrastructure facilities in Germany that require regular inspections. The mortar is reinforced with polypropylene fiber. Its water and fire resistance is suitable for manual and machine application and is not affected by the de-icing salt. In addition, the mortar is ideal for both localized, as in the video, and continuous application, and dynamic and static loads are no problem. Number 6. PREDL-FLEXLINER. German experts have come up with an interesting option for repairing drainage systems, sewer manholes, in similar structures. In many countries, the annual volume of wastewater is measured in billions of cubic feet, which generates a considerable load on drainage systems. This solution allows a small team to do the job without having to dig trenches to cause unnecessary noise or block traffic. The process is as follows. First, specialists scan the damaged area, obtaining a 3D model. They then use this data to create a perfectly matched detail that simply needs to be installed. They used polyurea, a synthetic polymer that's resistant to wastewater and combines flexibility and durability. This is complemented by a layer of concrete. Number 5. Hydrotex. Another development from the United States. The manufacturer notes that its products have been used on every continent including Antarctica, and the total area covered is about 75 million square feet. Zach, what exactly do they offer engineers and builders? On your screen, you can see a flexible multi-layer fabric that can be reinforced and filled with concrete or other composites. It's often used where erosion protection is needed. On bridge columns, in reservoirs, on shorelines, jetties, spillways, and culverts. In essence, it is a giant blanket that's waterproof, UV-resistant, non-toxic, and fireproof. So much so that the company's working on the 6th largest nuclear power plants in the United States. Number 4. AFS Rediwall. Did you know that Australia set a very unusual construction record? It turns out that this country builds the largest houses in the world. The average new accommodation is about 2,304.5 square feet. No wonder, as the construction technology in that country is highly developed. In today's video, you can see this unique stay-in-place formwork system. The main feature of the formwork is its ease of installation. The finish panels are slowed or snapped into place, and this is one of the reasons why the installation is done 2 times as fast, and while the formwork can be used for a variety of tasks. From home additions to sewer installation. The company offers versions from 4.3 to 11.8 inches thick, all of which are fire resistant and easy to transport by hand, eliminating the need for a crane. Number 3. SJS Seismic Expansion Joint. Modern stadiums impress us with their capacity and sadly their many problems. For example, the mobility of the structure is of great importance, which is ensured among other things by these expansion joints. They are important not only in earthquake risk areas but also in the vicinity of mining operations, and to ensure that the stadium elements will serve their service life without problems. These expansion joints are already used in stadiums such as the Levi Stadium in the United States. Capacity of 76,976, and the Basra International Stadium in Iraq, capacity of 65,227. The watertight seals made with hybrid components such as silicon impregnation and foam are easy to install and range in size from 2 to 16 inches, and the manufacturer is convinced that the product will not only be useful in stadiums but also in parking lots and even airports. Before we move on, I've got a little challenge for you that'll take me 5 seconds to complete. So here's the deal: you just leave a like on this video, smash that subscribes button, and hit the notification bell, and you'll get 15 years of amazing luck. Try it, it really works. Number 2. Groupe Baguette ECOMURET Benelux. Belgium also has several large-scale projects, such as the largest urban gardening research center in Europe, which was built this year. In addition, there are many companies with experience in the construction sector, so the solutions offered by the Belgians are also very interesting. Our selection includes these patented modules, which are the ideal solution for separating and retaining walls. The modules are installed in the simplest possible way. You don't even have to use Malta. It's a cross between a gabion, i.e., a frame filled with stones, and a classic wall. For convenience, each module is equipped with an eye-bolt, which simplifies the work of crane operators. The modules range from 1.6 to 6.6 feet in length and weigh between 231 and 2,183 pounds, and for each project, an individual assembly layout is developed to suit the specific working conditions. Number 1. Dragon Screed DS24. We have a development from the United States where the construction industry is highly significant in September 2021. For example, there were approximately only 1.555 million homes under construction in the United States, and the infrastructure also needs to be taken care of, so American engineers suggest unusual methods to speed up the work without compromising quality. You can see an example on your screen. The system is mounted on a track or wheel loader like a bobcat, and depending on the model, provides a working width from 4 to 22 feet. It assists in handling concrete, screed, and gravel. It's the only product on the market that's so versatile. The manufacturers claim that it requires half the number of workers and the job will be much easier. The system is already patented with the price starting at $9,000.